Let's see what I got here. I got a mess. This is a carrier from probably 94. I'm pretty good, 1994. Heat exchanger's been replaced on it already. This is 100,000 BTU. And you can see house runs back there. That's the end of the house there. That's my supply duct. That's my return duct. It's kind of amusing. Got this small trunk, taking a bigger trunk off. Boy, oh boy. We have the filter up there. Return comes down, chokes down into a box, and I don't know how they think that's going to work, or did work. We're going to check the heat exchanger on it because I guarantee it's probably bad again. I don't know when it was replaced. So doesn't smell bad, but that can be deceiving. Man, I haven't done videos in a while. I've been been wrapped up on install. It's bad again. Let's see. It's rusting through again. Right there. Oh boy. Well, Right there, you can see it rusting through. Oh, this is gonna suck. Furnace needs to be downsized. Return needs to be redone. Furnace needs to be dropped. Let's see. Oh yeah, same thing here. Zone damper. And then it comes off into a bigger trunk. It's backwards as backwards can be. That looks like it goes straight up, and that might be second floor. I bet you it is. Oh boy. Where does that go? That's a basement register that's disconnected. Oh, do I have a tape measure? No, I don't have a tape measure. This has all got to change. That return's got it. Needs a filter down there. Needs a 20 by filter. That's got to drop. Everything's got to drop. Well, let me figure out what I'm going to do here. Well, that's a definitely interesting install. It's been like that for years, and you know, ever since the house was, let's say, remodeled. It was done by a different company. They are friends with the other carrier company that was up in our area, which is trying to retire. They had that heat exchanger replaced in 2018. She had the paperwork for it, and it's rusting through again. And most likely it's due to airflow, because it deadheads into two zones. The zones are small. It's a 100,000 BTU furnace. It's not a good situation. House is 2,200 square feet. Technically the furnace is sized right, but with zones, with one zone not running, either you're gonna put a smaller furnace in, or you're gonna two-stage it, even with a smaller furnace. So I did propose to put a smaller furnace in there, two-stage, so we don't run into overheating or heat exchanger issues. But it's just, I don't know. I don't know. The house was, whoever did the other company that did the heating system, just, I don't know. They got the filter way up high. You can't even access it without a stool or a 4-foot ladder. Electronic air cleaner. It's just really goofy. And what I want to do is I want to drop the furnace, put it on a 4-inch filter box, and redo the return with a filter cabinet on the side of the furnace. So that's where we're at with this one right now. She doesn't really have a choice. The furnace is from, what was it, 94? Maybe? I don't know, I can't remember. It's a day later. Alright guys, like and subscribe, and I will see you on the next one.